In this video, I'm going to showcase my stripes post-process shader that I have developed in Unreal Engine 4. This shader has 5 exposed parameters that allows you to control various properties of the stripes effects. The stripes parameter controls the number of stripes. The color1 parameter controls the color. The color2 parameter controls the color. The breakpoint parameter controls the stripes distribution breakpoint. This value should be kept around 0.5 for an even distribution of stripes. The opacity parameter controls the opacity.